بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to lesson number 4 of this lesson series. In our previous lesson we covered the alphabets Alif to Gha. So in this video we will study the alphabets Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza and Ya. So let's start. The letter name is Ain. Ain shape is similar to Ghain. Ain is a light sound and long letter. It is pronounced from the middle of the throat. You can read after me. Ain, Ain. Read once again. Ain. Right? The letter name is Ghain. Ghain has a dot on its top. Ghain and Ain have a similar shape. Ghain is a heavy, gurgling and long sound letter. It is pronounced from the top of the throat. You can read after me. Ghain, Ghain. Read once again. Ghain. The letter name is Fa. Fa has a dot on its top. Fa shape is similar to Qaf. Fa is a light sound letter. It is pronounced when the tip of the two upper jaw teeth touches the inner part of the lower lip. You can read after me. Fa, Fa. Read once again. Fa. The letter name is Qaf. Qaf has two dots on its top. Qaf shape is similar to Fa. Qaf is a heavy sound letter. It is pronounced when we touch the root of the tongue on the soft palate. You can read after me. Qaf, Qaf. Read once again. Qaf. Right? The letter name is Kaf. Kaf sound matches to Qaf. It is a long light sound letter. It is pronounced the portion of the tongue near its base touching the roof of the mouth. You can read after me. Kaf, Kaf. Read once again. Kaf. The letter name is Lam. Lam is dotless. Lam is a light sound and long letter but sometimes heavy. It is pronounced when the rounded tip of the tongue touching the back gums of the frontal 8 teeth. You can read after me. Lam, Lam. Read once again. Lam. Right? The letter name is Mim. Mim is dotless. Mim is a light and nasal and long sound letter. It is pronounced by joining the dry parts of both lips. You can read after me. Mim, Mim. Read once again. Mim. Right? The letter name is Noon. Noon has one dot inside it. It is a light, nasal and long sound letter. It is pronounced by joining the rounded tip of the tongue with gums of the frontal 6 teeth. You can read after me. Noon, Noon. Read once again. Noon. Right? The letter name is Waw. Waw has no dot. Waw is a light sound and long letter. It is pronounced by rounding both lips and not closing the mouth. You can read after me. Wow, wow. Read once again. Wow. The letter name is Ha. It is just like the English letter H sound. Ha is a light sound and vocal sound letter. It is pronounced from the deepest part of the throat. You can read after me. Ha, ha. Read once again. Ha. The letter name is Hamza. Hamza is a light sound letter. It is also pronounced from the deepest part of the throat. You can read after me. Hamza, Hamza. Read once again. Hamza. The letter name is Ya. Ya has two dots downside. Ya is a light and soft sound letter pronounced by middle of the tongue and roof of the mouth. You can read after me. Ya, Ya. Read once again. Ya. Right? I hope you understand this lesson. Jazakallah. Thank you for watching. Have a good time. Assalamu alaikum.